and welcome back to Savills Travels. Now this video today is all about me getting prepared to go to Lanzarote. It's my dad's 70th birthday, so the whole family's going and we're really excited because we've booked a villa, which we've never ever done before. So this is going to be new for the channel as well. So I'll be giving you a really nice villa tour so you can see exactly what it's like, and also showing you around Lanzarote. We're staying at Playa Blanca, which I've heard is very beautiful, and I've been following a Facebook group. So that's one of my first tips, is follow a Facebook group. I find it really, really useful. So already I have pre-booked one restaurant, which is called Arabella's, which is at the marina. And that's just purely because I'd heard so many good reviews. It wasn't just one or two people, it was loads of people saying how absolutely amazing the food was and the views as well, and you can watch the sunset there. So really looking forward to that meal out. We do actually plan when we're in the villa just to have some chill out days and just have some evenings where we just have barbecue, that type of thing. But yeah, the Facebook group has been really, really useful. I've got lots of ideas of things that we want to do and places we want to go and see. But I thought we'd start this video with a few of my tips of what I'm packing, how I'm packing, and trying to save a little bit of weight in the case. So to start off with, I've got these old bottles that I have used before. So I'm going to go and give these a really good wash and get rid of any residue that's in these. And these are great for refilling. These ones are really handy as well. Look, I've used that before for some face moisturizer. And I keep pots as well. So this one was my Elemis cleansing balm, but I'm going to reuse that and just label it up. And it's going to save you a lot of weight in your case. Another thing that I do is at Christmas, I treat myself to a beauty advent calendar. That then means that you can get lots of miniatures, which are perfect if you're going away. I don't know if you've seen these in the supermarkets or anyone else buys these. Let me know in the comments. But I always grab these for holiday. Now this time we are staying in a villa, so we can go out easily to the shops to go and grab squash, things like that. But I think these are really handy. I take one on the plane so that, we can drink plenty of water, because my son won't drink loads of plain water. So again, this just makes it, just makes it taste better. So they're not very heavy, they're not very big. So the villa that we have booked is through Optima Villas, and they're actually based out in Lanzarote, and the villa is called Casa Piscina, and I think it was really good value for money. There are 8 of us going, so split between 8 of us. It was very, very reasonable, so definitely would recommend that. And then I managed to book flights really early, so that's my other tip, is if you want flights, get in there early because they are going to be so much cheaper. And we booked through Jet2, so we're flying from Stansted straight to Lanzarote. So it's about 4 hours, just over 4 hours flight, so not too long. When we arrive in Lanzarote, I've already pre-booked a taxi because I have heard a lot on the Facebook group about huge queues. And I really don't want to do a 4-hour flight, get all our cases and everything, and then have to stand in a massive queue waiting for a taxi. We did actually look also into car hire, but we decided for us, because it was going to be such a big vehicle with 8 of us, and I have to say we all like a little drink as well, we decided for us it would be much better just to get a taxi when we needed to go out and about. We're travelling with 2 children, so when we're away we want to make sure that we've got plenty of things to keep them entertained. So the villa has got a pool which is going to be heated, which is perfect for this time of year. I was actually expecting the temperature maybe to only be like 21, 22, but currently looking at the forecast, we're looking at more like 25, 26, which is going to be a real bonus if we get that sort of heat. The villa also has a pool table and table tennis, so lots to keep us entertained, and there's a lovely big open plan living area and outside dining. Another thing that I found out about is that there is a market nearby, which my mum's quite excited about, to go and have a look around the market. I've also seen that you can hire out scooters to go along the front, and also there is bike hire as well. So I think we're probably going to venture off down the front and go and really explore. You can obviously cover a lot bigger area once you've got a bike. We also intend to do a beach day or a couple of beach days, and here are a couple of the beaches locally that we are hoping to visit. Somewhere else that we are definitely intending to visit is Aqualava, which is a water park based in Playa Blanca, and I think it looks really, really good. And the biggest bonus of all is that apparently it is heated. So that is just awesome, because whenever we go to water park, I just don't want to go in. It's so cold. And I know I'm being a bit of a wimp really, but yeah, kids don't really mind so much, but I definitely do. If you've got any recommendations or tips, I would love to hear from you. So please leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on Playa Blanca or anything to do on the island of Lanzarote. It'd be really helpful and just make my stay so much more enjoyable if we can plan ahead and make sure that we can cram in as much as possible. We've got a week, so we've got plenty of time really to get everything done and enjoy the island.